This video is sponsored by Lumberjack Tools. Go to www.lumberjacktools.co.uk and use code MAT0005 DIY at checkout to get 5% off. Welcome back, guys, to vlog number 4. As you can see, there's been quite a lot of progress indoors. This wall here, the toilet wall, has started going up. But the main thing is that the walls have been boarded out. So this is just 12mm ply. It's going to be varnished, so it looks super smooth, super glossy. But this is the toilet at the moment, so just like a small little room. But that was made smaller. Oh, cross, nearly fell over. So I've got a lot more room here to do what I want, and yeah, it feels really big. I'm really happy. I'm going to plan out where I'm going to put everything, and hopefully throughout this vlog you'll see the rest of the room be finished, and maybe the doors will be on behind me and some of the lights will be in. So see you in the next clips. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm really sorry for the poor lighting. It is a bit late, but just wanted to film this really quick clip before they do the next part in here tomorrow or in the week. Let me find the best spot for it. So we now have, nope, you can't see that, that's a complete foul. We now have our electrical wires coming through the holes, so they're ready to be wired by the electrician, and I've got plugs dotted all about the place. And that is it. That's the only update I've got for you today. Yeah, that's it. So it's been a few days, things took a while, but as you can see, it might seem a little bit brighter in here and a little less blue, and that's because the door fitters have just left, and these are the new doors. Just swing them open like that. Oh, don't want them to. So let me come out and I'll bring you around. There you go. So now everything's sealed, so the electrics can go in. We're varnishing the walls, the floor, and painting the ceiling. So everything's nice and sealed now. Everything's nice and oh, it's that door first. Let's get that one. Heavy doors. Oh, a bit stiff. But yeah, so I'm super pleased with that. We went for the frosted look, just because I wanted the light in, but obviously didn't want when I'm filming. So if I'm filming from over here over there, you'll see everything that's going on in the background. So I thought frosted would be better, obviously, especially for the toilet as well. Don't want anyone seeing you do your business. So yeah, super happy. Ceiling's all been taped up, so that'll be painted. I'll stop rambling right about now. So hopefully in the next clip we'll have some varnish on the walls and stuff. I think this might end up being one of the last vlogs, or the last vlog will be moving my tools back in. But I was told that end of this week, the bank holiday, Easter bank holiday, maybe just after that, I'll be able to start moving my tools back in and getting everything sorted. So really excited, like it's all moving now, so I'm very happy. But I just can't wait to get back in here. I've been itching to do some stuff. So stop rambling, see you in the next clip. Welcome back to the shop, guys. I just wanted to do a really quick clip because not much has happened, but nothing's been painted yet or varnished. But I just wanted to show, so this hole was through to the toilet. That's been filled in, so you can't just step through anymore. And then we got these nice little trims on the corners of the edges just to make them a bit softer. Oh, that door's about to slam. It's not like that slam. Let's close that actually. Yeah, so hopefully the next clips will be varnishing and painting, like I've said in all the other clips, and I'm not going to waffle like I did in these, but I will definitely show that. And this vlog will probably be the last build vlog, and then the vlog after that will be me moving my tools in. So I've got a few here already because I've been working, doing some small bits that weren't worth making videos on, but I will catch you then. Welcome back to the workshop, guys. It's been a little while since the last clip, been about a week, but we were waiting for the electrician to come in, and as you can see, that has happened. We got plugged all over the place now, and we have power. So we also have light switches, but no lights because the ceiling has to be painted. And I've got my little board up here. This is the only part of the shed that I think we brought forward. So like, this is it. This is the old shed. But yeah, so hopefully next you'll see the painting of the ceilings, varnishing of the walls, the floor, and the lights going on. And this has been sort of a long vlog, but we'll get there. Welcome back, guys. Still vlog 4. I know this one's dragging on a bit, but I wanted this to be the last one because it's not really like exciting stuff to show, I guess. It's like sort of little snag bits. But we do have a light switch here. Ta-da! So we've now got light in the shed. It's perfect. It's like the perfect brightness. It's not like ultra bright to the point where it's like blinding, but it's like good work light. So it's a bit messy in here because they've been painting the ceiling and the walls have now been varnished. So on camera they don't really look that different, but in person they got a bit more of a sheen to them. And now they're protected diamond hard, so it should stop scuffs and marks and things. So next we just got to sand and varnish the floor and then it's done. So I'm hoping, I know I said it'd be by the end of this week, which today is Saturday, but it should be sort of midweek next week, and then I can edit the vlog and get it out. So I hope you enjoy seeing that, and then I'm going to do a separate video with a sort of reveal, I guess. You've already seen most of it, you know the shape and what it looks like, but I'd just like to have a video on its own to sort of reveal what it looks like outside compared to the old outside and inside compared to the old inside. So not really sure how well you can see this, but it's actually snowing / raining. It's currently being sanded, the floor in here, so you might be able to hear that. But everything has had to be moved out, and obviously it's unexpectedly snowed, so I'm now sort of racing against time to get this up to the garage where my tools were before, so that they can stay out of the cold and wet, because I really don't want rusted tools. So that creates an extra step. Oh, it's getting really heavy now. Yeah, so hopefully can get them in before they get too wet and soggy. So back in the workshop, the floor has been sanded and varnished. It's still a little bit needing a dryer, but it's mainly done. And that will be it for the workshop build. So thank you everyone for watching. I think this has been 4 vlogs, hasn't it? So thanks to everyone that followed, or if you're starting at the back end of it, go watch the start. But yeah, this is the inside of my workshop now. The next bit should be like build vlog and stuff like that. I want to say a big thank you to you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment if you've got any questions. I also wanted to say thank you to my Uncle Peter, who was the builder, and Jay, Colin, Lou and Steve also worked on this, worked really hard. And the next clip will be sort of a reveal of the old shed to the new shed. So it's outside and you'll see the transformation from old shed to new shed. So enjoy it, and I hope you like what I've got coming over the next few months on my channel.